Key strategies for stakeholder management and safe, continuous engagement. Involve stakeholders early and often through regular events like PI system demos, PI planning, and Inspect and Adapt (INA) sessions to ensure alignment. Clear communication roles. Utilize product management and product owners, PO, to act as the primary liaison, gathering requirements and managing expectations to prevent scope creep. Leverage Agile events. Use system demos to demonstrate working software, building confidence in the team's ability to deliver value. Manage expectations with PI objectives. Use committed versus uncommitted objectives during PI planning to provide a buffer for risks, allowing stakeholders to see what is guaranteed and what is variable. Educate stakeholders. Help stakeholders understand Agile principles, such as maintaining sprint integrity and reducing constant interruptions. Transparency and trust. Maintain a visible portfolio Kanban system and roadmaps to show progress, fostering transparency. By focusing on these areas, you can maintain strong stakeholder relationships and ensure that the team is focused on delivering the most valuable outcomes.